The year is 2025. Our world, a vibrant sphere of life, hurtling through the vastness of space, faces an inescapable deadline: 5 years until total annihilation. Picture it. The end of everything we know, everything we love, everything we are. It's a terrifying reality, a stark reminder of our fragility in the grand cosmic tapestry. The clock is mercilessly ticking. What could cause such a catastrophic end? The threats to our existence are numerous and varied, each with the potential to bring about unprecedented destruction. From cosmic events to human-induced disasters, the list is long and daunting. The universe is a shooting gallery of cosmic hazards. Asteroids, comets, and other celestial bodies constantly move through space, sometimes on collision courses with planets, including our own. A rogue asteroid lurking unseen in the depths of space could collide with Earth. Such an impact would release energy equivalent to millions of nuclear bombs, causing widespread devastation. The impact, a cataclysmic event of unimaginable scale, would obliterate all life. The immediate effects would be catastrophic, with massive fires, tsunamis, and a nuclear winter scenario blocking out the sun for years. Closer to home, our own actions have set in motion a chain of events with potentially apocalyptic consequences. Industrial activities, deforestation, and pollution are altering the delicate balance of our ecosystem. Climate change, driven by our relentless consumption of fossil fuels, is warming our planet at an alarming rate. Extreme weather events, rising sea levels, and the melting of polar ice caps are just the beginning, and mass extinctions are harbingers of a planet in peril. The loss of biodiversity weakens ecosystems, making them more vulnerable to collapse. The very air we breathe, the water we drink, and the food we eat are all being contaminated. Pollution from factories, vehicles, and agricultural runoff is poisoning our environment. The land we inhabit, all are under threat. Deforestation is leading to soil erosion and desertification, while overuse of water resources is causing droughts and water shortages. We have become unwitting architects of our own demise. Our actions today will determine the fate of future generations. It is imperative that we recognize these threats and take immediate action to mitigate them. The survival of our planet depends on it. Imagine a world on the brink. As our planet succumbs to its fate, the delicate balance of nature collapses, ecosystems crumble, food chains break down, once fertile lands transform into barren wastelands. The consequences for humanity are dire. Mass migrations driven by dwindling resources and uninhabitable regions lead to global unrest. Conflicts erupt over the last vestiges of food, water, and habitable land. The very fabric of civilization begins to unravel. The world descends into chaos. Faced with extinction, humanity's survival instincts kick in. Scientists scramble to find solutions, exploring radical technologies and audacious plans. Could we deflect an incoming asteroid, altering its trajectory to spare our planet? Can we develop advanced geoengineering techniques to mitigate the effects of climate change? Could we escape our doomed world, seeking refuge on another planet or in self-sustaining space habitats? Time is running out. The challenges are immense, but the human spirit, in its resilience and ingenuity, refuses to give up. The 11th hour. Can we escape our fate? The possibility of interstellar travel, once confined to the realm of science fiction, takes on a new urgency. Could we build generation ships, colossal vessels capable of carrying a remnant of humanity to a new home among the stars? The ethical dilemmas are profound. Who gets to go? What will become of those left behind? And what if there is no habitable planet waiting for us in the vast expanse of the cosmos? These are questions that haunt our collective conscience as we stare into the abyss. The moral imperative, a call to action. In the face of unprecedented environmental challenges, we are called upon to act with urgency and resolve. The climate crisis is not just a scientific or political issue, it is a moral imperative that demands our immediate attention and action. The knowledge of our impending doom is a heavy burden to bear. Every day we are bombarded with news of rising temperatures, melting ice caps, and devastating natural disasters. It is easy to feel overwhelmed and powerless in the face of such daunting challenges, but it also serves as a powerful catalyst for change. This awareness can ignite a spark within us, driving us to seek out and implement solutions that can make a real difference. From renewable energy projects to community gardens, there are countless ways we can contribute to a more sustainable future. We can choose to succumb to despair, or we can use this crisis as an opportunity to confront the challenges we face with renewed determination. By coming together and taking collective action, we can create a ripple effect that leads to significant, positive change. The time for complacency is over. We can no longer afford to sit idly by as our planet suffers. The evidence of our impact on the environment is all around us, from the melting glaciers to the raging forest fires and the polluted air we breathe. We must act now with urgency and purpose to mitigate the damage we have inflicted upon our planet. This means advocating for policies that promote sustainability, supporting organizations that are making a difference, and making changes in our own lives to reduce our environmental footprint. We must transition to renewable energy sources, reduce our carbon footprint, and embrace new technologies that can help us achieve these goals. Solar panels, wind turbines, and electric vehicles are just a few examples of the innovations that can lead us towards a cleaner, greener future and protect our remaining natural resources. Our rainforests, rivers, and wildlife are invaluable treasures that must be preserved for future generations. By protecting these natural habitats, we ensure the survival of countless species and maintain the delicate balance of our ecosystems. The future of humanity, our very survival, depends on the choices we make today. It is up to each and every one of us to take responsibility for our actions and to work towards a more sustainable and just world. Together, we can create a brighter future for ourselves and for generations to come. Beyond the abyss, a glimpse into the future. The future is uncertain, but one thing is clear. The challenges we face demand a collective response. We must transcend our differences, embrace our shared humanity, and work together to build a more sustainable and equitable future. We must invest in scientific research, foster technological innovation, and promote global cooperation. We must empower future generations with the knowledge, skills, and values they need to navigate the challenges ahead. The fate of humanity rests in their hands. A pale blue dot reflections on our place in the cosmos. From the vantage point of space, Earth appears as a pale blue dot, a minuscule speck suspended in a sunbeam. This image, captured by Voyager 1, reminds us of our planet's fragility and the vastness of the universe that surrounds us. It is a tiny oasis of life in the vast cosmic ocean, a solitary beacon of life amidst the infinite expanse of space. Our planet, with its diverse ecosystems and vibrant life forms, is unique in its ability to sustain life. This perspective is humbling, offering a stark reminder of our place in the cosmos. It challenges us to reflect on our existence and our responsibilities as stewards of this fragile world. It is a stark reminder of our fragility and interconnectedness. Every human, every creature, every ecosystem is part of a delicate web of life that sustains us all. Our actions have far-reaching consequences, impacting not just our immediate surroundings, but the entire planet. We are but one species on a single planet, sharing a common destiny. Our cultures, languages, and traditions may differ, but we are united by our shared humanity and our dependence on this earth. Let us not squander our time on this earth, our only home, consumed by greed, conflict, and short-sightedness. Instead, let us embrace our role as caretakers, working together to preserve and protect our planet for future generations. The challenges we face are immense, from environmental degradation to social inequality, but we have the power to make a difference. By choosing compassion over conflict, sustainability over exploitation, and wisdom over ignorance, we can create a better world. Let us instead strive to leave behind a legacy of peace, sustainability, and enlightenment. By harnessing the power of renewable energy, promoting sustainable practices, and fostering a sense of global community, we can ensure a brighter future for all. For in the grand scheme of the cosmos, we are all connected. Our actions ripple through the fabric of the universe, influencing the lives of others and the health of our planet. Our fate is intertwined with the fate of our planet and all its inhabitants. Let us cherish this pale blue dot, our only home, and work together to protect and preserve it for generations to come. What will our legacy be? As we stand at this crossroads, facing the prospect of our own extinction, we must ask ourselves, what will our legacy be? Will we be remembered as the generation that destroyed our planet, or the generation that found the courage and wisdom to change course? The answer lies within each and every one of us. The time to choose is now. Let us choose wisely.